Hello viewers, welcome to Great Joy channel. In this video I am going to explain the installation procedure of Visual Studio 2019. Please subscribe the channel to get regular updates on our video. I have given this download link as well as the official download link in the description. You can refer the link. The zip file size is 2.39 GB. We need to extract it into another folder to start the installation. After extract, the file size is 2.63 GB. We can start the installation now. So the extracted file is available in the Visual Studio 2019 folder. I just run the visual source underscore vs underscore setup. It will start the installation. I have saved the extracted content into the F drive software folder Visual Studio 2019. I just closed the unwanted window. Windows Studio Visual Studio installer. I just click on continue. It will set up a few things so that you can configure your installation, so no need to worry about anything. Simply click on continue. It will do basic verification and fetching the files, and the installation will start. So now it will show the component, which are the component we need to install. By default it will select ASP.NET for web development and Windows application. For Windows desktop development, .NET desktop development, by default it will select. So we can do the Visual Basic, C# and F# programs. In ASP.NET, using that we can do the ASP.NET, ASP Core, HTML, JavaScript, Docker support programs. So it will install the optional components, and if you want we can select the Python development also. It will shows the optional component for Python. So Azure development, Node.js development, and desktop development with the C++. Um, the package contain all the things. So whatever the package you want to install, you can choose it. Here I selected the web development, ASP.NET web development and the .NET desktop development and Python development. go through all the options, whatever the things you can read it out, and it will deploy the package into the C drive, Microsoft Visual Studio 2019, and then Enterprise. It requires 11.44 GB hard disk space. Now click on install. So now it will start to install the package Visual Studio Enterprise 2019. So the it is purely offline installer. It is not downloading from internet. I have disconnected the internet already, just wanted to show it. It's not connected with internet. So I don't want to keep the window open till it reaches the 446 packages. Now it's currently installing 5 of 446 package. So I will stop this window and I will open it again. So the installation reached around 66%. During this time it thrown a warning message for Python. I just skipped it because Python is my secondary choice. Primarily I want ASP.NET and VB.NET, so I skipped that warning messages. And it's almost completed. 396 packages out of 446. It reached the 83%. Once the installation completed, automatically it will start the Visual Studio. The checkbox start after installation has been enabled. So it installing package by package. 85% completed. So here it shows the file name which it is currently installing, the package details. Out of 446 it's completed 403. So the installation has been completed. So installation succeeded. So setup has been completed with warning. You can see the log files. See here it shows the warning messages which I have skipped for Python application. So it's just for Python, no need to worry about that. So I'm just launching the Visual Studio now. It's opening the Visual Studio package application. Now if you have any developer account, you can sign in using that account. So I'm just clicking not now, maybe later option. So because I don't have any account now. So if you have any Git repository account, or if you want to synchronize with your any existing codings, means you can choose that option. And here it shows the environments with the themes, color themes. Just I choose the default one. It's preparing for the first time use. So it will take a moment. So to get start, you can open any local folder or create new project, or any you can open any projects and solutions. Since it's a new one, I go for new create new project. Here it lists out the various categories of projects like blank solution as Azure function, and core web application, libraries, Windows applications, etc. So you can choose the one which you wanted to go further. So now I choose the Windows application and click on next. It's a desktop application development. So I just leave it the project name as it is, just for a demo. I click on create. By default it will install in C drive user admin source repository folder. The location will be in the C drive. If you want, you can change the location where you want the project to be saved. So still internet is not connected, all are offline installation. So now you can start to do the project. You can see the toolbox and the solution explorer and the properties window. You can start to do the project. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe the channel if you like this video, and provide your comments also. Thank you.